Let's try that when we have this coming down, that we use this quality of warmth from down there and that we spread it everywhere here and just bring this warmth quality there and help all this light to transform into colorful warmth, which wants to go forward. And with this space, light-filled warmth, we can go re-enter the space in front. Bring your hands, your physical hands, in front of your chest, in front of your heart. Use them. Now you can have both at the same time, the forces of your heart, to create this art gesture. And then ray through the arms to reach further out, behind the borders. Take your shoulders a little bit back to create this in-streaming quality. And now use your shoulders, pick up this in-streaming quality, go even further back and send this ha into the art to open it up. Feel grounded, feel your feet and let it go away up there. And wait for the answer. Receive the answer and let it come down. Notice it has to do with the space behind. And now use the forces, the warmth of your lower system to warm the space up. The veil coming down, warm it up and make it carry you forward. You do not bend forward. You use your warmth to warm your veils, that they carry you forward. I am there. Reverence. And I'm carried. And let go. So what I wanted to try to tell you is use the access to these warmth forces to create something which helps or which brings you forward. Into the state. I'm there. I'm connected with everything high, and this can come into the world now. Hey. Shoulders, in-streaming. Pick it up. Open it up. Send it away. Receive the answer. Use your lower system to bring warmth in there. And through this, let you be carried by reverence. Can you feel how big you are now? And let go. This last sentence was not very correct, because that we really reach this, that in this reverence lives the space from beyond. We have not only to warm up the veil coming down behind, but you also have to remember the R. That's why we did this invisible R before, because that's the connection to there. And only this creates this greatness. So this we also take into this exercise now, and with this we finish. Ah. Ah. Remember they are, now they are, and use the lower system. Have both. Feel your invisible arms streaming in. Feel the warmth of your lower system spreading through all your veins. Feel carried and guided. Feel connected. I am there. Carefully let go, step out of what you experience now without spoiling it. Carefully walk, move to your seat and listen to the resonance of this last finalizing exercise. AH, Reverence. What is the mood you are in now? With whom, with what do you feel connected? Give yourself some time to wait, but now. How is the connection to your body? How is the connection of your body with you? How is your breathing system now compared to after Hope U and Love E? Is it agitated or calm? Let it allow just to pass. Don't force yourself to notice a lot. Allow contentness to take place. Because it's not important how good you were. Your system is so happy about what you tried. On so many levels. Maybe you even have a rest of 10-15 minutes, because listening to the resonance is in a way our sense system, our consciousness system, which we use. When you now lay down, you hand it over to your feeling system, and tonight it will be handed over to your will system, to the AH Reverence system.